Now the third figure is this. In third figure we have to find unknown quantity A and B. Now see, this figure has four sides, 1 2 3 4, so it is a quadrilateral. Now sum of all the interior angles of quadrilateral is 360. We know this and we learned this in your previous classes, that means class 6 and 7. Now first we find the angle for this figure. First we find the angle B, because if we don't find the angle B here, then we don't know this angle also. If we find this angle B first, then by linear pair property we also find this angle, and by using all the angles we find this value of A, the value of A also. Now see, by linear pair property, of linear pair property we get B equal to in the third figure the value of this also given. In the third figure the value of this also given. Mistakenly I also don't write this. So here the value of 80, this angle is 80. So 180 minus 80 equal to 100. The value of B is equal to 100. We find this. Now we find the angle A here. Now but we know sum of angles of quadrilateral equal to 360. Therefore A plus 70 plus 80 plus 60 equal to 360 implies A plus. By adding this number we get 210 degree equal to 360. That means implies angle A equal to 360 degree minus 210 equal to 150 degree. Hence that means we also find we got value of B and value of A. Hence hence A equal to 100 degree and B equal to 150 degree. Now our fourth figure is this. Here we find A and B. Now first we find in figure, first we find angle B, then we find angle A. For how we find angle B? This is a straight line and this angle value is, this is a straight angle value is 180. So by 180, if sum of these two angles is 180, if one is given, then other we also find by linear pair property. By linear pair property we get B equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. That means B equal to 50 degree. Here we find the value of B equal to 50 degree. Now by here all the here A is exterior of the angle, exterior of the polygon, that this angle A is exterior of the polygon. So by using, we know sum of the exterior angles of polygon is 360. That is sum of exterior of polygons is 360. Angles of polygon is 360. So therefore B plus 65 plus 70 plus A plus 60 plus 55 equal to 360 degree, because all the angles in this figure are exterior of the polygon. So sum of the exterior angles of polygon is 360. Of any polygon is 360. So here B plus 65 plus 70 plus A plus 60 plus 55. Now here we know the value of B. Here the value of B is 50. So we put the value of B 50 degree plus 65 degree plus 70 degree plus A. A is unknown here. So we find the A here, 60 degree plus 55 degree equal to 360 degree. By adding these degrees, we get A plus 300 degree equal to 360 degree. Now implies A equal to 360 degree minus 300 degree equal to 60 degree. That means the value of A is 60 degree and B is 50 degree. Hence A equal to 60 degree and B equal to 50 degree. Now here fifth figure is this. We find angle A and angle B. Angle A is exterior of the polygon and angle B is interior of the polygon. So first we find this value, then we get this value. So figure 4, this value, this sign is 90 degree and this sign, this sign is for 90 degree. So see, first we find, also find angle B. This is a straight line, so straight angle value is 180 degree. So by using linear pair property, we find the angle B. So we write by linear pair property, we have B equal to 180 degree minus, in exterior is 70. So 180 minus 70 equal to 110 degree. Now we know sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. So by this formula we can find by this we find the unknown quantity A. So we know the exterior of the any polygon is 360. Therefore by linear pair property and angle sum property of quadrilateral we get, so here A plus 80 plus C, this interior angle value is 90 degrees, so exterior value is 180 minus 90. This is a straight line. This plus this is sum of these angle is, these two angles is 180. So if you subtract 180 this angle from 180, then we get this angle. So we write 180 minus 90 degree plus, here exterior angle value is 70, so we write 70 degree plus, here this exterior angle is 90 degree because this sign represent 90 right angles. So right angle value is 90 degree equal to 360 degree, implies A plus 80 degree, 180 minus 90 is 90 degree, plus 70 degree plus 90 degree equal to 360 degree, plus A plus sum of these angles is 330 degree equal to 360 degree, implies A equal to 360 degree minus 330 degree equal to 30 degree. So here we find, first we find angle B, and here now we find angle A. So hence A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 110 degree. So my video is over.